So we just freshened up in our hotel and now we are ready for sightseeing. It rained a little outside and we'll be visiting the local sightseeing. So come on, let's go. So we are walking around the streets of Lisbon. It rained after we came here. Beautiful spot from where you can see the bird's eye view of the entire city. Not the entire city, but the locality where you're staying. Fountain. So we come near the famous fountain in Lisbon. It's really huge. Perhaps the biggest fountain I ever seen. So we are walking near the garden around the fountain. Since it rained, everything is quite wet. The weather is perfect. This place has amazing drawings on the ground. So the streets of Lisbon are really good. They're pretty huge compared to the ones in Porto. Chal chal, aaja. We found an Indian restaurant. Serves Indian food. Walking down the streets of Lisbon. We are at another viewing point in Lisbon. The view is incredible. I'm at an Indian restaurant for dinner.